Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to add sticker on objects in Blender. After starting Blender, we can switch to front view, and then I go to file folder. I have a logo image in PNG file format. I drag and drop into viewports. So I use this as a sticker to stick on an object. I want to move to center, so I go to transform panel and enter 0 to X, Y, and Z. And I close this panel, and then we can adjust the view, and it doesn't show in perspective view. So I select it and then go to object data properties, and then check the box perspective to show in the perspective view. And then we can right click and convert it to merge plane. So I press OK. If we want to preview this texture, we can press Z, and then we can change to material preview. And then if we want to make it as a sticker to stick an object, make sure that we have enough faces. So I select the plane and then go to edit mode, and then I right click and just subdivide to add more faces. I add number of cuts to 10 to add faces. Next, we can go back to object mode, and then I want to move to front. And then we can add another object. Go to add, merge. In this tutorial, I add a cylinder. And I enlarge it. Now I want to make the sticker stick on the cylinder. So I select the sticker plane and then go to modifier properties and then add the modifier. And then go to deform. We can find Shrinkwrap. Click it to add Shrinkwrap. And then we can see that in wrap mode, we can choose pull drag. Next, go to target. We can use the dropper to pick the cylinder. Then we can check the box negative to stick on the cylinder surface. And then we can adjust the offsets, increase it a bit. So this is how we can make sticker on objects in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.